Hello traders, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the strongest entry models that we have and the ones that we use, okay? So I will explain in depth when you should enter and when you should not enter, okay? So you should be able to spot liquidity, as you can see, okay, in this chart. And now I can start about this entry model. So as you can see, price is swapping liquidity, okay? So price swaps liquidity and also swap this another liquidity. And after price swap this liquidity with this candle, okay, with this bullish leg, then price gave us change of character. So this is beautiful and the most important part, okay, because we have engulfing candles and volume. As you can see, price dropped magnificently, okay. So we can now be sure and like confident that this is the valid the supply zone, okay. Why? Because that candle swept the liquidity. After price swept these multiple liquidities, price gave us change of character downside, okay, with nice engulfing candles, and price also left imbalance, okay. As you can see, price left a huge imbalance. So also after this like next moves, price gave us correction and then impulse. But many people think that this one is breakout structure. It's correct, okay? This is our breakout structure, but I know many SMC traders, smart money traders would enter from here, okay? Like personally, and I would give you like recommendation, you should not never ever enter from this supply zone or order block. Why? Because we have this confirmation supply zone, okay, valid supply zone. Why? Because sweat liquidity gave a change of character and we have imbalance. So why you are entering from here when you know that this is our valid supply zone and we have imbalance? Yes, like you can wait for confirmation, like something like this, let's say, then you can enter from here, but it's still risky, okay? This is decisional. So this, for me, this is smart money trade because price needs liquidity, okay? What SMC traders and banks and institutions did here is that they know that psychology is one of the important confluence in trading, okay? So they know that many traders have FOMO. What is FOMO means? FOMO means fear of missing out. So I know that many traders are feared to miss trade and they would enter shorts here. Why? Because they want to win and they don't want to miss trade. Okay. And they know that the retail traders and many smart money traders would also enter from here. That's why they created this trap. So you can also call this inducement. Okay. And after price swept this smart money trap and took the stop losses, okay, price created these support and resistance traders, okay. So many resistance traders are taking shorts and many support traders are taking longs, okay. So firstly, they took out smart money traders, okay. So took out SMC traders first, okay, in this trap. And now what is price doing? Price now is taking out support traders, support and resistance traders, okay? So they are shorting from here. They are also shorting from here, okay? And they are targeting maybe these lows. And what price did? Price firstly took out equal lows, okay? As you can see, price took out liquidity with this move. So now support traders lost their trade, okay? So now we can say took out support traders out of positions, okay, traders. And here after we swept equal lows, then price targeted equal highs. So now resistance traders got taken out, okay. Third one, took out resistance traders, okay, traders. So after price took out resistance traders and also support traders, what price is doing now? Now price is price mitigated our valid supply zone. So this is where you would enter, okay. So you would target this low and maybe this would be your stop loss at 7 pips, let's see. And you target this external liquidity, okay? So this is our external liquidity, because many people think that this is our valid demand zone, okay? But this is smart money trap, and many smart money traders are also entering from here because they think it's equal lows liquidity, and they will target it this external high. So they are in the wrong direction, okay? So this is our fourth liquidity. Look out SMC traders again. So, or we can call demon traders, okay? Boom. And you would be in profit and nice trade, okay? 1 to 6. You can catch this type of trades, okay? But you should do your research backtest, okay? So I would recommend doing a lot of backtests in these trades, okay? But let's say if this our supply zone, okay? But in 4 hours, you can wait for lower time frame, okay? So it would be same. It would be same, guys, okay? With lower time frame. So now I will delete here everything. So what we have here, okay, as you can see, price swept liquidity, okay, so we have liquidity sweep, and price also swept this liquidity and also swept this liquidity, as you can see. Look at this, okay? So look, just weeks out, just a little bit weak, okay? And many traders and many people are saying that trading is like unlogical thing, you cannot predict or you cannot react. Bro, nothing happens unlogically, okay? So why this move happened? Because traders know and market knows that there is a lot of stop loss above these highs, okay? Also above these highs, also above these highs, okay? So many traders are shorting from here, are shorting from here, are shorting from here. That's why market just weaks them out, okay? If price wanted to move up, okay, it would close, okay, with body closures and continue moving up. But no, price just wigs them out. So this is our liquidity sweep, and after we swept the liquidity, price gave us nice reaction, nice drop reaction with the engulfing candles, okay? So this is important to have engulfing candles. Now we have our change of character, okay? Why this is our change of character? Because price was moving up and then price break downside. So this is our change of character, not false, okay? So price also left imbalance, as you can see. So we have a huge gap, okay? So this is our imbalance. And where is our supply zone? We can refine in 5 minutes here, okay? So we have this as our 5-minute supply zone, and we have this imbalance here, okay? So this is our fresh imbalance in 5-minute supply zone. Let's see how price reacts. Okay, so price created now imbalance inducement, okay, and created smart money trap. So this is our smart money trap because many traders would enter from this supply zone. So let's mark as smart money trap. I know many traders would enter shorts from here and target maybe the lows. And look what happens. Price is just consolidating, and boom, price took them out, okay? Price took out this liquidity, and gives our liquidity sweep, and price also left another liquidity, okay? So this is our liquidity because price have not filled imbalance and have not mitigated this supply zone. Now we are waiting, okay? Also here, you should not be entering from here, okay? Many traders would think we have change of character, we have a liquidity sweep, and they would also enter from here. No, guys, you should not be trading here, okay? So now price is also left the liquidity here. Let's wait. Now price left equal lows, okay? So resistance traders are entering now from here. We can mark as equal highs. And also this is our resistance now. Many resistance traders are monitoring this resistance, and they want to catch trades from here. Okay, so now they are opening short trades. Now also price created this demand, and SFC traders are also entering longs from here, but they lost. Why? Because they are in wrong direction. Okay, so price left another support. Okay, and now you would have your trade opened here, and you would enter from here. Your stop loss would be maybe 5.5 pips at 1 pips. And now, so you would enter from here and your take profit would be at this low or even at this low. Okay, so liquidity voids. So you would enter from here and boom, let's see what happens. Okay, price is melting down. So this is our external liquidity, guys. Okay, let's see, price is melting down. You can take some passwords also at this low. Okay, it depends on your risk management. Okay, guys. So let's see how price goes. I will switch to 15 time out. So boom, okay. So price gave us nice reaction and price took this liquidity out and smashed our take profit. Okay, so this is our external liquidity, and boom, 1 to 9 trade. Okay, why you catch this trade? Because you were on the right direction. Okay, so you know that price would mitigate the supply zone, and that's why you didn't enter from here, didn't enter from here, and didn't enter from any other supply zones. Okay, so this is our smart money trap also. Okay, we can mark this as smart money trap. And this is our also another trend line liquidity. Price just took this liquidity, okay, and left this liquidity, also these support and resistance traders, and it took them out. Okay, so I hope you understand this trade. Okay, and it's same, okay, with the demand and supply zones. Okay, if you invert, where is our invert? Here. Okay, it would be same, guys. Okay, so I hope you get education from this video, and this is really important, guys. Okay, this is uh with this entry model. Okay, with this one you can be profitable. Okay, trust me, guys. Okay, but you should do a lot of research and have a nice edge about this entry model, and maybe like watch this video again. Okay, and take some notes and listen to carefully. Okay, so I hope you are having amazing week, amazing days, and I will see you in the next video. See you guys soon.